out on a Saturday before a storm. And this is Kara. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. She said hi, you guys. And we're going to IKEA. Ate Nix, say hi. Ate Nix. Bastos. Kuya Ong, say hi.
Hi, vlog.
Yes. Hi, Ate Nix.
But it's not a vlog.
It's a vlog. We're here. Costco and IKEA. So it's my first time in IKEA. Hindi pa ako nakapunta even sa Philippines.
Actually, IKEA.
IKEA daw, IKEA. But then as a YouTuber growing up, it's IKEA. Can't tell me nothing. Ano, blue one binibili. Yung yellow shopping bag here. Okay.
Maganda yung chair natin. Bakit?
Can I try it? O nakakatakot para sa atin.
Ay, parang hindi satisfying. Yeah.
Ay, ito. Yan ang cute. Baka natulog na lang si kuya. Ay, ang ganda. Is it a set? Ate Nix. Nakikita mo yung Ate Nix, ito. Yun o, pero yung pillow. Parang couch niya. Ganyan ba couch niya? Oh, this is comfy. Well, that's cute. Naghahanap sila ng accent chair. And since it's an accent chair, gusto nila ibang style or like color. Yung couch nila na parating is beige. Why not the orange one? Yan o. Scarlet. For a pop of color. Yeah, ang ganda niyan.
Bili ka nga ng chocolate ulit. Yung may nuts. Chop.
Nakita ba ako? She doesn't eat mustard or mayo. What a boring girl.
Guys, okay lang ba kung hotdog na lang kakainin ko?
Gonna have Randy's. Tayo na lang, Tinix.
Okay. Ilan ang bilhin, babe?
Ay, ito. I wanna try lang.
And then,
Lemon jelly filled and
the powdered sugar.
Right? 22, I mean, it's never 2 minutes. 22.75.
thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
So, first try of the Randy donuts. Lamig.
Freshly made. Hindi, okay na.
reminds me of...
Hindi katulad nung, alam mo yung may feeling.
Ba talaga pag may feeling? Karamdam mo ito.
For ninyo. Ano to? Kalasan niyo yung sa...
Pagod na siya.
Kalasan niyo yung... Basta may natikman akong ganito sa Korea.
Nakakamiss din yung McDonald's na yun.
Yung may feeling kasi yung bilihan.
Kara! Kara! Very good!
Ito ba ako na? O, hindi ba?
That's cool, be. Ayan, perfect, kuya.
Where's the Toro? Is this a Toro?
No, that's the yung last. Toro yung yan.
My dad said first we
Yeah,
Prime
man.
eh. Try.
Kaya nga. Lumalaban. Pero masarap. Ang may opinion.
Pati yung nilamnam, no?
Yeah. Kaso, yun. Konting effort lang kailangan. Garlic noodles. Come over here, sit next to me. Take it.
I just took that plate and ate all of it. Alright, I think I'm trying to get
Try this. Prime short rib.
getting back.
Nakita mo yan? Blanketed the rice.
I actually expand my cooking. I need to like
So one perfect bite. Init, girl.
remember Christian Temple? Yeah, what about it? Still the same now. Pretty much the same.
We're home and we're having the Randy's donuts. I want the lemon. The one I chose. Pwede maliit lang. Kasi, as in, ganyan. Smaller, half na yan.
Then you're asking kung bakit ang pangit ang mga ang video ko kain. Lagi horse.
Wait lang. Ako si Angel.
Si Bobby si atin dyan yan.
This is corned beef pares. Yes. Oh, ikaw si Shaina.
No, ako si Angel Oxen.
Ako si Angel Luxin, girl. Pareho-pareho.
Si Enchong na lang ako.
Ay, ako si Enchong kasi ako yung pinag-pray nyo.
Pero hindi ka na no then.
Lian, nandito na nga pala si Lian. At least, favorite ako ni Ate Kai. Pero sa totoo lang, favorite ni Ate Kai, I think, si Ate Lix. Tas, hindi, tas nung wala na siyang choice. So, ako na yun.
No, favorite natin ko.
Favorite ka nun?
Kailangan patunayan namin. Teka, you're watching.
Ang sarap. Alam mo ba?
Gusto niya yung ganyan yung napapabili.
Alam mo ba, madaling araw magdadrive kami dun sa may malapit sa U-Belt para sa Paris Retiro. Galing kaming Katipunan. Si Faye, oh. Hi Faye, if you're watching. Si Faye.
Please like and subscribe.
Miss you. Sarap. You should try this. Corned beef Paris by Chef RB, but itong version na to is by Chef